Hey y'all, and welcome back. So it's a new day. I woke up and took it kind of slow and was thinking about going to Hobby Lobby today, but I've changed my mind. I think I'm just going to stay at home. I'm not feeling 100%. I have a slight Benadryl hangover. So I think what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to do some bacon. I'm going to bake some muffins. I'm just in the mood. The weather is so nice and cold and chilly and just, well, it started out cold. It's chilly now. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So let's head to the kitchen and do some bacon. Don't get this confused with the bake from scratch. I'm just going to use some little packets that I have, and we're going to do some bacon. Y'all know I got to put my apron on because I am my granny's granddaughter, and I know how to make a mess. So, all right, each pack takes a half a cup of milk, so I have 1 cup of milk for 2 packs. I'm gonna preheat my oven to 400. So while the oven is preheating, I'm going to mix up my little muffin mix and spray my pan. Let me get my muffin pan. I like to make the mini muffins, so I just have this pan, and I don't have any of the little muffin cups, so I just spray my pan with this Baker's Joy. This is what I need to use up. There's just a little bit in it, so I have a backup. But I love this stuff. My granny believes in this stuff as well. So I'm just gonna give my pan a good spray, and then I wipe it. I take a paper towel and wipe off the top of the pan where some of the spray gets on it. So I'm gonna get that ready, and then I'll get to mixing up my muffins. Okay, so my pan is ready. I take my little paper towel and just kind of wipe the insides just to kind of make sure the sides have some on it. So now I'm going to take my banana nut bread mix. Now while I wait for the oven to heat up, we'll stick our muffins in, and can't wait for them to come out of the oven. I have a fabulous banana nut bread recipe that I normally make if I have like extra ripe bananas and stuff. But since I don't have any bananas or anything like that, I'll do this instead. But I normally make my banana bread from scratch. So I know this is cheating a little bit, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, right? Lester has on another little sweater. This one says spoiled, and this one fits him a little better. He actually loves wearing his sweaters when the weather's cold because he's very cold-natured. Did you just do like the model runway walk for us? Oh my goodness. So once my muffins are put back in the oven, I'm going to tidy up these few little dishes. I am definitely a clean as you go. I hate to cook or bake or whatever, and then at the end of it have a huge mess. So I definitely clean as I go. What about you? Are you a clean as you go, or do you just wait till it's all over with and do it all at one time? There's just something about this time of year that I love having the smells of fresh baked goods. I love baking. I just love it all. It just makes it feel so homey and cozy. I just love it. And I guess that's why I'm just so into baking, is because of the way that it just makes the house smell. I mean, yeah, you can burn candles and get that, but there's just nothing like having some fresh baked goods out of the oven. I just absolutely love it. So now that the muffins are done and I haven't had any breakfast, I'm going to be good, and I'm going to make me another cup of coffee, and then I'm going to get me a few of these little muffins. Since they're the mini ones, you can have a little bit more. Well, it makes you feel like you're having more, but I'm going to make me another cup of coffee, get me some fresh muffins, and go sit down and enjoy a nice cup of coffee with some fresh baked goods. The muffins were so good. Buster enjoyed them too. So now I'm going to get in here and finish tidying up the kitchen, get it all clean. I'm going to do some sweeping and just do a few errands that I have around the house. Chores is what I meant. A few chores I have around the house. And I hope y'all enjoy this kind of video. It's just kind of relaxing with some nice jazz playing. I love jazz. And I really enjoy like calming videos like this to watch. So I hope you really enjoy this video. There's just nothing like cleaning the house with the windows open, with it being a cool breeze. Y'all, I love this time of year. How many times can I say that? Do y'all understand that I love this time of year yet? But there's just something about it when having the windows open. And I don't have them all open because it's really too chilly. But I do have a couple open, and I am just enjoying the crispness in the air. And that mixed in with the baking smells and just cleaning a little bit. It's been just a really cozy day. I am just taking this time to embrace just loving my home and being at home. There was so many years in my life where my life was just in turmoil, and home was the last place I wanted to be. So the very fact that I'm loving my home, and this was way before James, not any time that I've been with James, but the fact that I'm loving my home and I'm loving being in my home, there is no greater thing in the world than contentment. And I'm just so grateful to finally be at a place where I am content in my life. boy? Are you a lazy boy? Oh my goodness. Buster is a lazy boy. Oh, are you just enjoying your day? Yeah? You just enjoying your day? Huh? Oh, goodness. All right. Fresh baked goods in the microwave for James when he gets home. He does like banana nut bread. Kitchen clean. One load of laundry folded, the other in the dryer. As soon as it goes off, I'll take it right out because I don't like to iron or anything. So I like to get my colored clothes out and on hangers and everything right when the dryer goes off. So I'll listen for that. Swept, vacuum the rugs, clean my kitchen fairly good. I need to mop, but that's not happening today. Maybe tomorrow. And got the flames on the fireplace without the heat because, I think it's appropriate. I can have the flames on now with our cooler temps. So, yeah, I think that's going to do it for me. I did want to say thank y'all so much. I've been checking in on the comments on my video that I posted today. And without going into too much detail about my daughter and her doctor, she has an issue that she's had all of her life basically, and we have went to multiple doctors, and I'm not going to give out her information because, if she wants to, that's one thing, but I'm not going to put that out there. But it's something that she's dealt with pretty much her whole life. Well, she has dealt with her whole life. And this is our 4th doctor that we've went to. And I just believe that it is a God thing. I don't think I ever shared, but in March, we was in a service that her father-in-law was preaching. And I don't know, I just knew God touched her that night and healed her body. And I still believe God has healed her. I do believe the Lord will use doctors and medicines. Yes, God can just snap his fingers and it can be done and cured. But then also, he makes us wait, and he strengthens our faith. And I fully believe the Lord healed her that night. But it is are you going to believe me? Do you really believe it? Kind of thing. And he has just got us to this point. And I told that doctor yesterday that God was going to use him to help her. So, and I just fully believe that, or if God did everything for us, if he answered every prayer instantaneously for us, how's that going to build your faith? You build your faith by having to have faith, It's just like working out. You build your muscle by using it, So I fully believe in March that he healed her, but he's just brought us to this point to actually bring it to fulfillment, if that makes any sense. I might not make any sense to y'all, but I know what I'm talking about. I know how it sounds to me. I know what I feel and what I know. And so I'm just believing that this is the answer to the prayer, So, yeah, I'm so excited about it. If she wants to share with y'all, that is one thing. But like I said, I'm not just going to put her stuff out there. She may want to tell y'all and encourage y'all because I think it's something that's very common. But that's just not my story to tell as far as that part of it. So I'm going to respect her privacy, and y'all can just pray for her. God knows. And I thank y'all so much for loving her and, being concerned. I know none of y'all are asking questions to be nosy. I know that. And if we were sitting here, in the privacy of my home, it would be one thing. But this is on the internet. You know what I mean? So that is going to do it for me today. I'm going to finish, my laundry and all that kind of stuff. But thank y'all for hanging out with me. I hope that this was kind of like a calming, relaxing, but yet motivating video for you. I love watching these kinds of videos, so hopefully it just kind of calms you and just kind of motivates you a little bit too. So I love y'all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.